In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Zoho Books subscription. Whether you're looking to upgrade your plan or maintain your current package, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can manage your accounting needs seamlessly. First things first, you need to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub for your Zoho Books account, where you can access all your financial data. Once you're there, you'll see a Subscribe option. Giving this a click will start the process of managing your subscription. This button is crucial as it leads you to the page where all subscription actions can be managed, from viewing your current plan to choosing upgrades. Next, you'll see the Upgrade Plan option. Clicking on this will reveal various subscription plans that Zoho Books offers. It's a good idea to review these plans carefully. Consider the features each plan offers and how they align with your business needs. Whether you're scaling up or just ensuring continuity, choose the plan that best fits your organization's requirements. Once you've decided on a plan, you simply hit the Upgrade button. This signals to Zoho that you're ready to modify your subscription based on your selection. After clicking, you'll be prompted to fill out some important details about the plan you've selected. Providing accurate information here is crucial as it dictates the structure of your new subscription agreement. After filling out the plan details, it's time to click on Continue. This step leads you to an essential part of the process, reviewing your order. Take a moment to double-check everything to ensure it aligns with your expectations. This is where you can catch any discrepancies or errors in what you've selected. Once you're satisfied after reviewing, the next step is to confidently click Confirm. Doing so verifies that everything in your order is correct and allows you to proceed without any hitches. You'll then be prompted to fill in your billing address and payment details. Ensure these are current and correct to avoid any issues with payment processing. It's always helpful to keep an eye on your payment details regularly for any necessary updates. Finally, wrapping up the process, you'll click on the Make Payment button. This will process the subscription fee for your chosen plan. With a successful transaction, your Zoho Books subscription is renewed, ensuring that you continue to enjoy the accounting features and services Zoho offers. By following these steps, you'll have effectively renewed your subscription, supporting your business's accounting activities efficiently and uninterruptedly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.